I think that it keeps coming, that we need to change. That part, I think, has been constant. Change is nothing new. We've been changing for years. Right now, it seems to have a lot more emphasis. So I believe, yes, that everybody understands that we're changing completely.
When we started this, there seems to be some resistance. People don't understand why we're doing what we're doing, but as things change and they see it more visible, the shadow board's on the line for the tools, and it's very much there right in front of you. It's easy to get your tools, it's easy to make the adjustments now. That's the one that's been most visible to us on the gallon line is when we did the major changeover event. We mapped out our process, and they can see these things, and even though some people are resistant to the change, they're starting to see the benefits of it just in the things that we've made visible, and I think that's been a positive thing.
As far as people being receptive to the lean process, I think some are reluctant to accept it because they have a problem with change in general, and once they realize it's for their benefit, then I think they'll be all right with it.
We have a good plan. Why are you screwing with it? Also, we need our people out on the line. We need to run production, and that's what we need to do. We need to produce product, and so the negative part is when you're away doing a Kaizen event, we're shorthanded, and we can't do our job as well without you there.
I think most people are on board with lean. I think where some companies or what we can fall into the trap is you're always going to have your top tier operators that are going to be on board on any project. And those are the people that you want on your Kaizen events. But we also need to incorporate maybe some of the people that they're not resisting change, but they're not necessarily as gung-ho about it. And then you always have your resistors that will resist any amount of change. And we probably need to incorporate those people in future Kaizen or lean events as well.
At first, everybody was kind of standoffish and they didn't know really what to think about it, because you always hear about the horror stories of lean and companies. But I think once they got involved into it, I think most people that I've seen has really kind of stepped on board and taken it with pretty positive attitude.
I think they're more aware now. I think they've seen the changes, and they know it's a good thing. We're getting a lot of things done that we wanted to for years, but weren't able to because it wasn't brought to the table. So it's been nice getting a lot of things done, making a lot of improvements.
The way I look at it is I think if people have been involved in the process of lean in the meetings, they understand what lean is all about. But if they're not involved, if they haven't been involved in it, I think they really don't have the understanding of what lean is all about and what we're trying to accomplish.
Well, I believe that lean has been shown to us to be the elimination of waste. It's not a matter of doing more with less, but rather doing things as efficiently as possible. I think that we've always done that. I just think that we've been shown some more techniques that can help us, including things like the 5S to get rid of clutter and have a line that has just what we need, where we need it, and some of the Kaizens we've done to help make things simpler for us.